Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool geometric pattern. Pretty easy to draw. I'm going to take a six-sided polygon and I'm going to hit P. I'm going to rotate it 30 degrees because I want that flat side up top. Now I'm going to take a square by holding down the control button, Control D and duplicate it and rotate it 45 degrees. Take both those squares and weld them and I get that shape. Now I want that center right there in the center. So it's right on the node, so it's good. I think I've got enough room for this. So I'm going to take a 2-point line, holding down the control button so it's perpendicular. Now I want to know how far those lines are apart. So I'm going to take my parallel dimension tool and I'm going to go from right there to right there, and we're 256. So I'm going to draw a rectangle, a long one, and make it 256. And I'm going to hit P. It's not quite long enough because it's got to go over to here. So I'm going to grab my shift tool and elongate it, and I'm going to rotate it 30 degrees. Now I'm going to take a 2-point line. This seems like it's a lot of work, but it's really not. Take a 2-point line, put it in the center, and I'm going to delete everything on the outside of the polygon. Whoop, went too far. Outside. And then all this below, make sure you get it all. And then take away that line. Grab these two items and Control G, Control D to duplicate, Alternate C to have it rotate from the center of the page. And I'm going to rotate it 60 degrees all the way around. Now I can take away my polygon and I want to make these lines a little thicker. So I'm going to make them like, no, that'll work. Let's go. Yeah, that'll work. Now, if you remember, they're grouped together. So I need to go up to Object because convert to an outline or an object is not highlighted. So I'm going to have to ungroup it. But then when I do that, I can convert it to an outline. And then I can left click, right click. Then I'm going to take the whole thing. And if you see these inner parts that are left over, I'm going to take the whole thing and weld it. Got rid of those. Now this center part has just some leftover garbage. So just delete that. And you could delete those little things, but we're going to leave them. Let's make this thing 10 inches. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and I'm going to grab that. I'm just going to move it up, get it close. And then we're going to grab the outer side of that part and have it go to the outer side of that. Now I've got some stuff left over, but for right now it's going to be okay. I'm going to Control D, Alternate C, and rotate it 30 degrees. Whoops, 60 degrees. Control D, well, whenever you mess up, you got to start over. Control D, Alternate C, 120 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. Now I'm going to take the whole thing and weld it. And there you have it. You've got a geometric shape and you can almost do anything with it. I'm going to maybe make a second video because this is kind of like hollow. We're going to make a second video and maybe put an item like that inside of it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.